What's up guys, your boy Cocoalinkz and I'm back at you again with some Today we're going to be doing some custom Air Max 90 Galaxy theme. Let's go. So the first thing I'm going to start off with is that Paradise Purple from Angelus. This one is also from Angelus, regular blue. And the next one is Neon Bahama Blue.
Hey, so Wendy's, where y'all from?
Hey, so Indies. Yeah. Live free, speak your peace. Stay humble in these streets, yeah. In these streets. Let's go. Playground parks with the trees and the cars. Brownstone buildings with the kids on the porch. Murals on the walls for the ones that we lost. Bodegas on the corner.
Then I came back with another neon color, neon yellow.
Maps in the cars. Summer cookouts, uncle got the sandals on. Statue of Liberty, we holding up the torch. If they ask where I'm from, tell them this is New York. We from the home of the biggie, people blowing they ciggies.
Then I finish it off with regular orange.
Watch your steps, cause these blocks be grew up on that bad boy in 96 with Diddy. Take a walk, come with me, let me show you what really go down. Fiends on the corner, every hood got a deli or crowns. Cops pull us over, it don't matter if you black or you brown. City never sleeps, this the place the way hip-hop was found.
Now this is the part I really enjoy doing, putting down the stencil work.
Murals on the walls for the ones that we lost. Bodegas on the corner, let me see what's in store. Subway stations with the maps in the cars. Summer cookouts, uncle got the sandals on. Statue of Liberty, we holding up the torch. If they ask where I'm from, tell them this is New York. I look around as I'm viewing the city. Skyscrapers and bridges, bright lights, fast life, Manhattan living. Cross over downtown, welcome to the concrete. The Nets to Barclays, the Mets to Yankees. Ubers and yellow taxis. And while I'm fitted with some butters, we her savvy when tight jeans was baggy. From JFK to LaGuardia, city that never sleeps, insomnia. Home of Junior Mafia, word. Playground parks with the trees and the cars. Brownstone buildings with the kids on the porch. Murals on the walls for the ones that we lost. Bodegas on the corner, let me see what's in store. Subway stations with the maps in the cars. Summer cookouts, uncle got the sandals on. Statue of Liberty, we holding up the torch. If they ask where I'm from, tell them this is New York. Brooklyn, BK all day, BK all day. We go hard, yeah.
Now you know it can't be a galaxy without stars, so let's put in them stars in it.
BK all day, BK all day. We go hard, yeah.
Let peace stress free, let it be. God got a bigger plan for you and me. Let peace stress free and let it be. God got a bigger plan for you.
So we're finished the stars, so it's only right for us to put some lightning up in it. So to get the glow effect, I put white down first, then I'm gonna hit it with the green. And to complete this custom, I'm just going to top it off with this Krylon finishing spray so you can get a manufactured look and prevent it from scratch easily. It's time for the reveal. So before you go, I want to say thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a video. And I upload videos every weekend, so I'll see you next week Saturday.